Welcome to the Museum of Hidden Freedom Fighters. History remembers many great leaders, but today we honor whose sacrifices are often forgotten. Every statue in this museum has a story waiting to be told.
Welcome everyone. This is not an ordinary museum. Here, history comes alive. Walk with respect because these heroes gave us the freedom that we enjoy today.
Wow, these statues look so real. I wish they could speak.
Yes, in this museum, if you truly want to know the history, the heroes are going to speak.
Really?
Yes, really.
Could you please tell me who are you?
I am Rajkumar Shukla. I was a simple farmer from Champaran in Bihar. The British forced farmer to grow indigo instead of food, causing great suffering. I travelled tirelessly to meet Mahatma Gandhi. I did not give up until he agreed to visit Champaran. That visit led to the Champaran Satyagraha in 1917, the first successful satyagraha led by Mahatma Gandhi. People often remember Gandhi's leadership, but few remember the farmer who made it possible.
What message would you like to share with us?
Never think that one ordinary person cannot bring about extraordinary change.
Wow, she looks like a warrior. Are you Rani Lakshmi Bai?
No, I am Jhalkari Bai. I played an important role in the Indian Rebellion of 1857 and I rose to a position of prominent advisor to the Queen of Jhansi. People remember Rani Lakshmi Bai, but I fought beside her. To save my queen, I dressed exactly like her. At the height of siege of Jhansi, I fought on her behalf, on the front allowing their queen to escape safely out of the fort. The British thought I was the queen. My courage helped the real queen to escape safely. Sometimes heroes remain unknown, but their sacrifices are unforgettable.
What message would you like to convey to us?
Bravery does not depend on status or birth. It comes from the courage to stand for what is right.
Who is she? She looks so young.
Yes, I am Kanaklata Barua. I was only 17, but courage has no age. I marched taking the national flag over a nearby police station to defy the British authority. The British warned me to stop. I refused. I sacrificed my life but never lowered the flag.
What message would you like to share with us?
True courage is standing for what is right. Vande Matram.
Who are you?
I am Tripur Kumaran from Tamil Nadu. I was only 27 years old when I joined the freedom movement. The British had banned our national flag, but I believed that no law could stop our love for India. During a protest against the arrest of Mahatma Gandhi, I marched with my fellow patriots carrying our national tricolour flag, a flag that the British had banned. The police brutally attacked our peaceful march. Even after getting badly injured, I never let the flag fall from my hands. I held it high until my last breath. That is why people remember me as Kodi Katha Kumaran, the protector of the flag.
What message would you like to convey to us?
Always respect the Tiranga and stand firm for what is right.
These heroes came from different states, different cultures, different religions, but they had one dream, a free India.
Always remember, never give up. Love your country. Be brave.
Respect your Tiranga.
We are the unsung heroes, but our sacrifice build your future. Remember us, honor us, live for India. Jai Hind!